When it comes to innovative genius and premium design, Hitachi made in Japan refrigerators lead the way. Reflecting both good taste and technology, Hitachi's original vacuum compartment extracts air out to keep food fresher for longer. Unique photocatalyst and anti-oxidation fresh cassette. Keep chilled meat and fish fresh and nutritious. In the AeroCare vegetable compartment, moisture is kept at optimum level. The photocatalyst and LED light helps retain nutrients. Working in unison, Hitachi's inverter compressor dual fan cooling and advanced frost recycling cooling technology improve energy savings. A flexible vacuum insulation panel provides powerful insulation for cooling efficiency. Beyond functionality and freshness, Hitachi refrigerators are the perfect blend of beauty and intelligence. Intuitive touchscreen is designed for easy usage. An intelligent work of art, authentically Japan-made. Hitachi refrigerators. Hitachi, inspire the next.